Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Lords Mobile. To do so, you first need to open your Play Store, like so, and then click on this icon with your profile picture. Then go to Settings, now go to General, and under General, click on Account and Device Preferences. And here you'll see this option called Country and Profiles. Select the country you want to change to, and once you've done this, your currency on Lords Mobile app will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!